Hello everyone, this is Rashmi, your certified holistic health coach from my world of wellness. Today let's talk about something that affects too many people and it affects silently. When your body becomes too acidic, I'll also share how to bring it back to balance naturally. So stay with me guys. If you wake up feeling bloated, tired or just craving for more sugar, your body might be too acidic. Let's understand what that means and how to fix it the natural way. Guys, when your internal environment becomes too acidic from processed food, stress, or lack of sleep, your cells struggle to make energy efficiently. So, this leads to inflammation, fatigue, and even mood changes. Do you feel tired like even after resting? That's often because your cells are struggling to produce enough energy in an acidic environment, or you have so much cravings for sugar and junk cravings. An acidic body often craves quick energy from sugar or caffeine. That's your system trying to cope up with your low cellular energy. And sometimes these cravings, this acidity disrupts your gut bacteria and balance and blood sugar balance. So that's why you crave sweets, caffeine, or even junk food frequently. And the other sign is you have joint or muscle pain because excess acid increases inflammation and lactic acid buildup. So if you have stiffness or swelling, you might consider to check if your body is acidic. Sometimes you have skin issues, your skin breaks out, or dullness. When your liver and kidneys can't release acid fast enough, your skin takes over and shows acne or dullness. Other sign is bloating or indigestion. Acidity slows down your digestion and upsets your gut balance, causing gas, bloating, or reflux. Other sign is very low. Low oxygen and nutrient flow from acidity weaken your immune system. Or sometimes you are always have mood swings or anxiety. Acidity affects your brain and oxygen neurotransmitter like serotonin. Sometimes you have brain fog. Acid buildup also affects the brain. You may feel foggy, forgetful, or low on motivation. So, how do you fix it naturally? Let's restore your body's natural balance using food, lifestyle, and simple morning rituals. It's not too hard. Start your day with a glass of lemon water, warm lemon water. It helps to flush out toxins and gently alkalize your body. I know many people are already doing it, but it's a good habit to include every day. Eat more alkaline foods, which includes green leafy vegetables, cucumber, sprouts, avocado. They are rich in minerals, magnesium and potassium. That's the natural antacids. Alkaline fruits are specifically avocado, pomegranate, watermelon, papaya, banana, figs, berries, lemon, and lime. Uh, Despite citrus taste, lemon and lime becomes alkaline once metabolized. So start your day with all these fruits. Sprouts and microgreens are next, like mung bean sprouts, alfalfa, broccoli sprouts. They are very helpful. They are high in live enzymes and antioxidants that helps cells to detox. Another like root vegetables like sweet potato, beetroot, carrots, turnip, radishes. They're alkaline forming and rich in minerals and fiber. They also support your gut health. So do try them. They're very helpful. Herbal teas are next. These are the alkaline drinks like tulsi tea, mint tea, ginger tea, green juice, and coconut water, cucumber water. They all help to calm the nervous system and flush acidic toxins. Try to replace coffee with any herbal or lemon infused water. Here I am making a coconut berry smoothie. I am just adding some blueberries, strawberries, little bit of mango today, and coconut water. You don't really need to add mango actually, but I am making it for my daughter, so I just decided to add mango. It gives really good taste. I am also adding little bit of honey. It's a raw honey, high altitude honey, and some hemp hearts to give extra protein. And all you have to do is just blend it all together, and there you go. It's a really good drink to lower your acidic level. So do try it out. Also add some mineral salts like try to use some Himalayan sea salt or rock salt. They help to replenish your trace mineral loss from acidic food or sweat. Do some breathing exercise. Oxygen is naturally alkalizing. Even 5 minutes of slow breathing can change your body chemistry. So it will help. And then limit your acidic triggers, like reduce processed food, sugar, alcohol, caffeine, and again replace with some good drinks like herbal teas, coconut water, green juices. Spend 10 minutes in early morning sunlight. It boosts vitamin D and supports a healthy pH balance. Your body will thank you with all this good mood and energy. Here I am sharing a one-day alkaline meal plan which can make you feel lighter, energized and balanced all day. You can have this morning detox combo, warm water, lemon, or you can even add some moringa or chlorophyll powder. Always listen to your body if it suits you. It helps to flush acids and helps to hydrate. Also, this is the fruit alkaline boost where I am going to eat some papaya and some coconut water and berries for my breakfast today, before the breakfast. So these are light, enzyme rich and easy to digest. It helps to neutralize overnight acids naturally. It's best as a morning snack also. Green meal powers, you can have the salad of spinach, cucumber, avocado and lemon. It's rich in magnesium and potassium, your body's natural alkaline minerals. You can add some pumpkin seeds or some soaked almonds for healthy fats. This is a prebiotic alkaline plate. You can add some steamed veggies and also add some probiotic like sauerkraut and have with kanji. It helps to feed your gut bacteria. In mid-afternoon, you can have this tulsi or mint tea that hydrates the body. It helps to calm nerves and also reduce stress acids naturally. Dinner, you can have some quinoa, stir-fried veggies, ginger lemon dressing. It's light, nourishing. It helps to digest your food well. It's perfect for dinner. And also you can end with warm water, aloe vera or wheatgrass shot or warm trifla water. It balances acidity and supports overnight detox. Now let me discuss this in detail, like how the sweet potato make your body more alkaline. It's loaded with alkaline minerals like potassium, magnesium and calcium that helps neutralize excess acid in your system. So sweet potato also provides slow digesting carbohydrate that keeps your energy stable without creating acidity like refined grains do. So their rich fiber content supports good gut bacteria, helping your intestine stay slightly alkaline. Leafy greens like spinach, kale and moringa are the true heroes of an alkaline diet. They are rich in chlorophyll, nature's green detoxifier that helps oxygenate the blood and remove acidic waste. Even one handful of green daily can shift your body chemistry towards a more alkaline, energized state. Cucumber is one of the most hydrating and alkaline foods you can have. It's made of over 95% of water and rich in minerals like magnesium and potassium that helps flush out acids from the body. So adding cucumbers to your smoothie, salad or even plain water is instantly help cool down internal heat and bring your pH back to balance. So guys, start small, one simple change each morning, lemon water, breathing, sunlight or a smoothie. Your body already knows how to heal. You just need to create the right environment. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with someone who needs this reminder today. Thank you for watching.